Welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey through the life of one of the most influential visionaries of our time, Elon Musk. But his story is not just about rockets and electric cars. It's about dreams, failures, relationships, and an unstoppable drive to change the world. Imagine a quiet boy sitting in a corner, holding a big book in his hands. That boy was Elon Musk. Born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa, Elon was always different from other kids. While many played outside, he immersed himself in science fiction books and became fascinated by the universe. His parents, Elon Musk and May Musk, were very different. His father was an engineer, and his mother was a model and nutritionist. They divorced when Elon was just 9 years old. He went to live with his father, but their relationship was never easy. At school, Elon faced even greater challenges. He was bullied and physically attacked by his classmates. In one particularly serious incident, a group of boys pushed him down the stairs, landing him in the hospital. But instead of fighting back, Elon found comfort in books and computers. At just 10 years old, he got his first computer and, within months, taught himself how to code. By age 12, he created a game called Blaster and sold it for $500. At 17, Elon knew he wanted to leave South Africa. He dreamed of moving to the United States, the land of opportunity. But first, he moved to Canada, where his mother was born. To support himself, he worked on farms, cleaned floors, and even cut logs, saving every penny. In 1992, his hard work paid off. He earned a scholarship to attend the University of Pennsylvania, where he studied physics and economics. But Elon wasn't just focused on grades. He spent hours thinking about how he could change the world. After college, Elon and his brother Kimball Musk founded their first company, Zip2, which helped newspapers create online city guides. Elon worked day and night, often sleeping in the office. In 1999, they sold the company for $37 million. At just 27, Elon was a millionaire. But he didn't stop there. He founded X.com, which later became PayPal. In 2002, PayPal was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion. Now, Elon could have retired and lived a luxurious life, but money was never his goal. He wanted to revolutionize the world. In 2002, Musk founded SpaceX, dreaming of making space travel more affordable. But the first 3 rocket launches failed, costing him millions. By 2008, he was nearly bankrupt, and his personal life was also falling apart. His marriage to Justine Musk, with whom he had 5 children, ended in divorce. However, the 4th SpaceX launch succeeded. NASA took notice and awarded SpaceX a $1.6 billion contract. At the same time, Musk wanted to save Earth, too. In 2004, he joined Tesla, which was then a small electric car startup. Critics laughed at the idea of electric cars succeeding, but Elon proved them wrong. Today, Tesla is one of the most valuable car companies in the world. Elon didn't stop at space and cars. He created Solar City, clean energy, Neuralink, connecting brains to computers, and the Boring Company, underground tunnels for urban mobility. However, Musk has also been involved in controversies, particularly due to his bold statements and unpredictable tweets. But Musk's biggest dream is to make humans a multi-planetary species. With Starship, he wants to send ordinary people to Mars and build a city on the Red Planet. Despite initial failures and rocket explosions, Musk never gave up. Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough, he famously said. By 2023, SpaceX successfully launched Starship on a historic test flight, bringing the dream of Mars colonization closer than ever. Despite his demanding schedule, Elon is a devoted father. He even created a private school, Ad Astra, for his children, focusing on creativity and problem-solving rather than traditional memorization. After his tumultuous relationships with Justine Musk, Tallulah Riley, and Grimes, he continues to balance his family life with his businesses. Today, Elon Musk is admired by many and criticized by others. But one thing is undeniable. He has transformed industries and inspired millions. As he once said, "You get one life. Don't waste it being afraid. Dream big, take risks, and work hard." As Musk continues his journey toward Mars, he reminds us of a fundamental lesson. Nothing is impossible for those who dare to dream. If this story inspired you, share this video and subscribe for more incredible content. See you next time.